Hi everyone, welcome to my class. Today in this class we will learn the table creation in Java in MS Word, and not only we will learn the creation of table, but also we will learn how to insert the particular some column, or how to insert particular row, or how to delete a particular column, or how to delete a particular row, then also merge cell and split cell. Okay, so these things we will learn from this class. So let's start. So first sorry, so first we have to move to insert tab. You can see this is the insert tab. So to create a table, first we have to click on insert tab. Now first you have to decide how many number of rows and columns will be present in your table. So first, before creation, you have to first decide. Suppose I want to create a such table where there will be 5 columns. Columns you know which are the horizontal aligned and rows is the vertical aligned. So in my table, suppose I want to create with 6 rows and 6 columns and 5 rows. Okay, so how to do? Click on table. From here, by dragging and keeping the mouse cursor, you can just click from here. This is the one way. So here 7 at the top, you can see here it is showing the 6 into 3, then 7 into 3. So I need 6 columns. So 6 into how many rows said? 5. So 6 into 5. So from here, if you click, automatically the table will appear. Otherwise, click insert table and click on insert table. Then the small insert table dialog box will appear. Then you can give any number of column in number of columns box. Suppose here 6 columns I want to insert, and the number of rows, suppose there will be 4 rows. Then after you click on OK, then automatically a table with 6 columns and 4 rows will appear. Now here easily you can write some data. Suppose here I am writing role, then here name, here subject 1, then subject 2, subject 2, subject 3, then total, then name, suppose giving ABC, role, this is role 1, name ABC, marks anything giving 80, 90, 70, then total 240, role 2 like X, Y, Z, then 65, 75, 90, 230. So like this you can do. Okay. So this is the way how to create the table. Now suddenly you thought that you need one more column in between total and sub 3, in between total and sub 3, or suppose in between name and sub 1. Suppose in between these two column, name and sub 1, in between one more column you need to add, and that column will be of suppose address. So what will you do? So click the cursor here. Okay, now move to layout, this layout tab. Can you see? I think you can see this layout tab. Click on layout. From here, so if the cursor is here, you want to insert the column towards the right side of this cursor. So that's why you will click on insert right. Okay, it is showing also the direction right. Or if you want to click before sub 1, so click on sub 1, then you could click also insert left. So both are same. Okay, so one more column has added. So here easily you can write address. That's all. Then you give here address Kolkata, here, then here Chennai, etc., etc. So like this you can do. So this is the way how to create the column. Using a similar way, you can also insert, or you can also add one extra row wherever you want. Suppose in between roll number 1 and 2, one more row you want to insert. So what will you do? If you keep the cursor in roll number 1, so under the same layout tab, you have to click on insert below. So below of roll number 1, here the one new extra row will appear. Look at it, insert below. So one extra row has been appeared. Otherwise, if you keep the cursor in roll number 2, so just top of roll number 2 you want to insert, so then you will click on insert above, same thing. So in between A and roll number 1 and 2 it is inserting, same things. Okay, now next, so you have understood. Now how will you delete a particular row or column? So to delete a particular row or column, suppose this extra row, suppose you thought that you don't require, so click on the particular row, any cell of this particular row, here or here or here or here or here or here, anywhere, or directly like in this, so you can click the full row. So somewhere you have to keep the cursor, then say under the same tab that is in layout, then click on delete and rows. Under this delete, click on rows. So this particular row will automatically delete. Now suppose this address column you want to delete. So what will you do? Keep anywhere, any cell of this particular column, or direct you can select like in this way. Anyone you do, anything you can do. So keep the cursor any of the cell of this particular column, then click on delete and click delete columns. Then particular column will delete. So you can see this column has deleted. Understood? So this is the concept, this is the procedure to insert any particular row or column, or to delete any particular row and column. Okay. Now we will learn, I am grabbing all the data. Now I am showing you how to merge or how to split cells, any particular cells. We can also decorate the color the same way you can do that, like this under the home. Suppose you want to change the color this, so click suppose select it, and from this fill color choose any color that the particular cells and or the particular row or column will be colored like in this way according to your choice. And here also whatever formatting we apply for the normal text, here the same thing, same way, using the same way we can also apply the formatting. Okay, so I am not showing the formatting of the table. Now next, which one I will show you, that is I just said that is the split cell and the merge cell. So what will you do first? For suppose I am showing the merge cell. Merge cell means what? In the merge cell we will convert the more than one cell into single cell. We will merge, means we will join together. Suppose this 4 cell. So how many cell I have selected? 4 cells. Cell 1, cell 2, cell 3, cell 4. So this is cell 1, cell 2, cell 3, cell 4. So these 4 cells now I want to merge. So select these all 4 cells like in this way, then under this same layout tab click on simple merge cells. So all these 4 cells will be merged and see becomes in one cell. So this is complete to one cell, this full is one cell. So this is called the merge cells. Okay, I am doing undo. Now split cell. What is the split cell? Just the opposite of merge cell is the split cell. That is, one cell can also be divided among some rows and columns. Suppose this cell now I want to this cell I will just now split or divide into more 2 columns and 2 rows. So here will be like these divisions, means this row means in this cell there will be more 2 rows and more 2 columns. So what will you do? Click on the desired cell, which cell you want to split, any one, here, any one, which one is the desired one. So click on it. Then after, under the same tab, that is under the layout tab, click on split cells. Then you have to see, you can see number of columns and number of rows. You have asked that to enter. So here according to me I want to insert the 2 row and 2 columns. So 2 already given as the column, just I will give here 2 rows and click on OK. So that's it. You can see this particular cell has divided into some more rows and columns, 2 row and 2 column. Understood? So that's all for this class. We have learnt here from this class how to create table in MS Word, and this is the 2010 version, same for the 2007 version also. Then how to insert a column anywhere of the particular table or row, or also how to delete a particular row or column, and also we have learnt what is the merge cell, how to do, and what is the split cell, and also how to do. Okay children, so that's all for today in this class. I hope you have understood. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.